Good morning, students. Yesterday, in the last lecture, we have completed the exercise 1.6, which is related to word problems and formula-based questions of number of A union B equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now, second method also you have learnt. By use of Venn diagram, you can solve this type of word problems also. Now we are going for the next examples number 24, 25, next one's 26 and 27 in this lecture. Therefore, see carefully, I am taking these two examples. There are many questions related to these examples. I am giving the extra questions related to example number 25. So, please listen carefully. By use of Venn diagram, you can solve, you can answer it, the extra questions directly without calculation. Okay? Therefore, the Venn diagram method is most important method for us. Therefore, we are going for example 24, 25, 26 and 27. We are only solve this type of question by use of Venn diagram. So, see, example 24 is here. In a school, there are 20 teachers. In a school, there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. It is given that total number of teachers is 20 and they are teaching mathematics or physics. And मतलब શું થયો કે they will teach mathematics or physics. એમાંથી અમુક mathematics teach કરતા હશે, અમુક physics teach કરતા હશે, અમુક both mathematics and physics. તો એનો ડેટા આગળ જોઈએ. Of these 12 teach mathematics, of these 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Okay, how many teach physics? Okay, હવે જોજો મેં તમને ડેટામાં આપણે yesterday भी લર્ન કર્યું હતું શીખતા હતા. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. That means that 20 જે total numbers આપે છે, it may be a universal set, number of elements of universal set or number of elements of A union B. Okay, union ના બી possible છે. તો એ તમને આઈડિયા લોજિક્સ એ ક્વેશ્ચન માંથી જ મળી જવું જોઈએ. Here it is given that 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. That means this 20 number represents mathematics or physics, not union. Okay, clear? Therefore, first of all, here we have to assume the sets for mathematics as well as physics. So, first of all, I am assuming the set M for teachers who teach mathematics. Okay, I am assuming the set M for the teachers who teach mathematics and set P for teachers who teach physics. Clear? First of all, you have to give the name of sets which are given in the questions. તો તમારે જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સમાં જરૂર છે એવા બે સેટ્સ કન્સિડર કરી લો. Now, the data. Write down the data. 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. That means number of elements in mathematics or physics means M union P, which is equals to 20. Okay. Next one. Of these 12 teach mathematics. Of these 12 teach mathematics. Therefore, number of elements in M mathematics, that means M, which is equals to 12. Next one. And 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Therefore, number of physics and mathematics, that means M intersection P, which is equals to 4. Okay. Now you have to find how many teach physics. Therefore, you have to find number of elements in physics. Suppose તમે આ ડેટામાં નથી લખતા તો બી ચાલશે. તમારે Venn diagram થી આ સમ સોલ્વ કરવાનો છે. ચલો તો draw the Venn diagram of this question. I am drawing the Venn diagram. So this is our universal set U. Suppose this is our set M. This is our set P, which represents physics. Okay. Now represent the intersection portion first. Therefore, M intersection P, which is equals to 4. So write down the 4 elements in this portion first. Okay, the 4 elements in M intersection P. Now we know that the total number of elements of mathematics means M equals to 12. Total number of elements in mathematics portion equals to 12, and among the 12, 4 elements are here. Therefore, you have to write 8 elements here only. Okay, 8 plus 4, total 12 elements in mathematics. Okay, now you don't know this total number of elements in physics. Therefore, you can't put here any number. Therefore, you have to assume this one is x, means unknown. Okay, this is variable. Okay, now you have to solve this question by use of the data. We know that total elements in M union P equals to 20, and we know that M union P means this portion. Therefore, addition of these 3 equals to 20. So we have total number of elements is 20 of M union P. Therefore, we can say that 8 plus 4 plus x equals to 20. Now, solve it out. 8 plus 4, which is equals to 12. 12 plus x is equals to 20. Now, make the subject x. Therefore, you are getting 20 minus 12, which is equals to 8. Therefore, you can say that this x is equals to 8. Now, you will judge it easily. You have to give the answer of how many teach physics. How many teachers teach physics. Therefore, you can say that this portion represents the teachers who teach physics. Therefore, answer is 8 plus 4. You can say that 12 teachers can teach physics. Okay. Here answer is 12 teachers can teach physics. Okay. Now, we are going for the example number 25. In a class of 35 students, 24 like play cricket and 16 like to play football. In a class of 35 students, 24 like play cricket, 16 like to play football. Also, it is given that also each student likes to play at least one of these two games. Okay, this statement is important for calculation. Okay, the total number of students is 35. હવે આ 35 ને આપણે યુનિયન સેટના એલિમેન્ટ્સ કન્સિડર કરવા, અધરવાઇઝ યુનિવર્સલ સેટ મતલબ નંબર ઓફ યુ કન્સિડર કરવા. એની માટે આ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. each student likes to play at least one of them two games. એટલે બે ગેમ્સ માંથી કોઈ એક તો ગેમ પ્લે કરશે. that means these 35 students of class is represent union, okay, of two sets. मतलब if I am assuming cricket as C and F is football for F, therefore C union F equals to 35, not number of U equals to 35. Clear? So this statement is important. If this statement is not given here, then you can take 35 as number of U, because અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બેમાંથી કેમ બી લાઈક ના કરતા હોય ને, તો એવું બી બની શકે છે. એટલે એવા કેસમાં તમારે જાતે અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ લેવું પડશે કે માં નંબર ઓફ યુ કન્સિડર કરવું કે પછી નંબર ઓફ A યુનિયન B, that means union operation consider. First of all, I am assuming that for C for cricket and F for football. So set C represents student who like cricket. Okay, the C set represents students who like cricket, and F, capital F, represents students who like football. Okay, I am assuming this name which are very familiar to us. Okay, C is for cricket and F is for football. Now the given data, write down the given data. We know that the number of C union F, which is equals to 35. It is given that 35. Now 24 like play cricket. Therefore, number of elements in cricket means C equals to 24. Next one. 16 like to play football. 16 like to play football. Therefore, number of elements in football, that means F equals to 16. And how many students like to play both cricket and football? This is your question. First of all, draw the Venn diagram for this data. I am drawing this Venn diagram for this data. Suppose this is your universal set. This is your set for cricket, that means C. This is your set for football, which is F. Now, represent the elements in intersection portion first. So, we don't have the intersection portions element. Therefore, I am assuming the number of elements in C intersection F equals to X. First of all, represent C intersection F, which is equals to X. Now you know that total number of elements in C equals to 24. Therefore, in this portion, you have to write 24 minus X elements here. Now, for the football, total number of elements equals to 16. Total number of elements equals to 16. X among X are here, therefore you have to write 16 minus X elements in this portion. Clear? Now, we know that total number of elements of union operation of C and F means number of C union F equals to 35. Therefore, we can say that the addition of these three equals to 35. Therefore, we can say that 24 minus X plus 16 minus X, which is equals to 35. Now solve it out. Minus X plus X will get cancelled out. 24 plus 16, which is equals to 40 minus X is equals to 35. Now, if you are making the subject X, then X on the right hand side, 40 minus 35, which is equals to 5. Therefore, the value of X equals to 35. And we know that what is X? We have X is equals to number of elements in C intersection F, which is equals to 5. Therefore, we can write the statement here, total 5 students like to play both cricket and football. The answer is clear. Now, I am giving the extra questions. Okay. Now, I am going with the extra questions related to example number 25. How we can solve these extra questions by use of Venn diagram only. There is no need of calculation. Okay. See here. તમે જે વેન ડાયાગ્રામ બનાવ્યો એમાં તમે વેરિયેબલ એટલે કે x ની વેલ્યુ જે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી એ વેલ્યુ પુટ કરી લો. જેવું તમે એ વેલ્યુ પુટ કરશો એટલે તમારી માટે એક નવો વેન ડાયાગ્રામ રેડી થઈ જશે. So this new Venn diagram is very helpful to solve this type of extra questions related to this example. Suppose this is our C and F. So what is X? Here X is equals to 5. Now 24 minus X. 24 minus X means 24 minus 5, which is equals to 19. 16 minus X. 16 minus 5, which is equals to 11. चलो आ થઈ ગયો તમારો proper data, proper Venn diagram data. Okay. Now I am asking the questions related to this data. How many likes football only? How many students like football only? So we know that this portion is for football only. Okay, only for football. Therefore, we can say that directly answer, no need of calculation. We can say that 11 students like football only. So this answer is 11. Okay. Now the second question, how many like cricket only? The answer of this question is here. Total 19 students who are likes cricket only. Therefore, you can say that the answer of this second question is 19. Okay. तो તમે डायरेक्टली आंसर्स લખી શકો છો જુઓ without calculation. Third question, how many like cricket or football but not both? How many like cricket or football? तो cricket or football तो ડેટામાં જ છે જો cricket or football, that means C union F, which is equals to 35. બટ જો તમને ક્વેશ્ચન શું પૂછે છે, હાઉ મેની લાઈક ક્રિકેટ ઓર ફૂટબોલ બટ નોટ બોથ, બંને નહીં, નોટ બોથ, બંને નહીં, ક્રિકેટ ઓર ફૂટબોલ ખરા બટ બંને નહીં, એટલે શું કરવું પડશે, ક્રિકેટ ઓર ફૂટબોલ means this portion and you have to subtract the intersection portion but not both, તો both વાળા કાઢી લો. Okay, therefore rest are your answer. Therefore answer is total portion -5, that means 19 plus 11 only. ખાલી તમારે કેટલા એડિશન માં લેવાના, 19 plus 11. Therefore the answer of this question is 30. Clear? 19 plus 11 is your answer. Clear? Next one, fourth question. How many like cricket but not football? How many like cricket but not football? चलो cricket like but not football, cricket but not football, so you have to subtract this portion of football. Therefore the answer is only 19. The answer is only 19. Therefore this is the similar questions to the question number 2. Therefore the answer of this question is 19. Clear? Next one, the fifth question. How many like either cricket or football? Either cricket or football, meaning of this, either cricket or football, at least one of them. Okay, you can say it is at least one of them. Therefore the answer is your total number of C union F. Therefore the answer is 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 11, which is equals to 35. Clear? Ready? Now we are going for the next question, example number 26. The question is, in a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 150 as taking orange juice, 150 as taking orange juice, and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. જો આ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ બહુ સારો અને બહુ ટ્રિકી ક્વેશ્ચન છે. In a survey of 400 students, જો total 400 students of your school survey કરવામાં આવ્યું, એમાં 100 were listed as taking apple juice, 100 apple juice, 150 taking as orange juice, 75 taking as both orange as well as apple juice. અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ એવા બી હશે જેને ઓરેન્જ કે એપલ નહીં ભાઈ પાઇનેપલ ભાવે. ઓકે, તો બેનું કમ્બાઈન કંઈક નવું આવે. તો એવા કેસમાં જે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બેમાંથી એક બી લાઈક નથી કરતા એ કેસ હવે જોઈએ છે. જોજો, તમને અહીંયા એવું કશું આપ્યું નથી કે એટલીસ્ટ વન ઓફ ધેમ, બેમાંથી એક તો લાઈક કરવું જ પડે એવું કોઈ કન્ડિશન જ નથી. તો અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ તમારે જાતે વિચારવું પડશે કે અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ બેમાંથી એક બી લાઈક ના કરતા હોય તો શું. તો એવો ક્વેશ્ચન આ ક્વેશ્ચન થઈ જશે. તો એ કેસમાં 400 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સના સર્વેમાં તમારે જે આ 400 ટોટલ છે એ યુનિયન નહીં. ઓકે, નોટ યુનિયન ઓફ એપલ ઓર ઓરેન્જ. ઓકે, ઇટ ઇઝ the elements of universal set. Total number of elements of universal set. First of all, I am taking the apple juice and the orange juice. I am taking the sets which represents the apple juice or orange juice. I am taking set A, capital A for apple juice and set capital O for orange juice. તમે કોઈ બી સેટ્સ ના નામ લઈ શકો. I am taking A for students who like apple juice, student who like apple juice. Next, O, capital O for students who like orange juice. Okay, hello, clear? Chalo, total 400, which is our number of universal set 400. કેમ આયા ખબર પડી? અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બેમાંથી એક બી લાઈક ના કરતા હોય, there is no condition is given, at least one of them students like કરે જ છે, એવું નથી આપેલું. Clear? Now 100 were listed as taking apple juice, therefore number of elements of apple means A equals to 100. Next one, 150 for orange, the number of elements in O equals to 150, and 75 listed as orange juice, orange as well as apple juice. Therefore, we can say that A intersection O. Okay, and that means both A intersection O, which is equals to 75. Now, draw the Venn diagram of this question and give the answer of these questions. Okay. Now, I am drawing the Venn diagram of this question. Suppose this is your universal set U. This is your set A, which represents apple juice. This is your set O, which represents orange juice. Now, represent the intersection portion first. Therefore, A intersection O, which is equals to 75 here. The total number of elements in A intersection O in this portion equals to 75. Now you know that the number of elements in set A equals to 100. Therefore, you have to represent 25 students in this portion only, because total is 100. 75 plus 25 equals to 100. Now, for orange, total number of students who like orange juice equals to 150. Therefore, you have to write 150 minus 75 here. Therefore, 75 is here. 75 plus 75, total 150. Now, I am asking the question, how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? Neither apple juice nor orange juice. Apple or orange બેમાંથી એક બી નહીં લેતા હશે. તો એવા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કેટલા? તો આ જે પોર્શનમાં છે એ લોકો તો એપલ અધરવાઇઝ ઓરેન્જ અધરવાઇઝ બોથ લેતા તો હશે જ. બાકીના જે સ્ટુડન્ટ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધેમ આર નોટ ટેકિંગ apple or orange juice. Therefore, the rest portion, that means this portion, represents the neither apple juice nor orange juice students. Clear? Now, I am first of all finding the total number of students in A union O, which is equals to total number of students in A union O, 25 plus 75 plus 75. Simplify this one. 75 plus 75, 150 plus 25, 175. Therefore, the answer of 175 students who likes apple juice or orange juice. આનો મતલબ શું થાય? 175 students who like apple juice or orange juice. Clear? તો apple કાં તો orange juice 175 લાઈક કરશે. તો એના સિવાય જે લાયા એ બધા નહીં લાઈક કરતા હોય. એનો મતલબ કે the answer number of A union O whole dash, number of elements in A union O whole dash, which is equals to 400, total 400 are there, minus 175. Therefore, your answer is 400 minus 175, which is equals to 225. You have to represent 225 people here with 225 students here who do not like neither apple juice nor orange juice. Okay? Apple ka to orange બેમાંથી એક બી લાઈક્સ નથી કરતા. That means you have to give the answers 225 students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Clear? Nor orange juice. Clear? Now we are going for the example number 27, which is also important questions for the examination. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 200 people which are individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1, 50 to chemical C2, and 30 to both the chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals exposed to. The first question is chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Second one, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. And third one, chemical C1 or chemical C2. Okay? ચલો આપણે આ બધા જ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ના આન્સર્સ આપવાનો ટ્રાય કરીએ. ચલો શું છે? There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. ચલો 200 ને skin disorders. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. એમાંથી 120 ને chemical C1 થી expose થયો છે. 50 for the chemical C2. First of all, we have to take the sets which represents the chemical C1 and chemical C2. I am taking the set C1, the people who exposed with chemical C1, people who exposed with chemical C1. Okay, the C1 represents exposed with chemical C1, and the set C2 which represents people who exposed with chemical C2, okay. So now write down the given data. Here 200 is of number of universal set or number of C1 union C2. એ આપણા માટે ક્વેશ્ચન બહુ ટ્રિકી છે, તો એ ક્વેશ્ચન ને અત્યારે સાઈડ પર રાખીએ, એ પોર્શન ને સાઈડ પર રાખીએ કે એ કોઈ ડેટા મેં એવું નથી આપ્યું કે બેમાંથી એકથી થયેલો જ હોય, બરાબર? તો એટલીસ્ટ વન ઓફ ધેમ એવું કશું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આપ્યું નથી. તો તમારી માટે થોડુંક વિચારવાનો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, એ પછી ડિસ્કસ કરીએ. એના પહેલા બાકીનો ડેટા લિસ્ટ આઉટ કરીને લખી દઈએ. તો 120 had been exposed to chemical C1, therefore number of elements of C1 equals to 120. Now 50 to chemical C2, therefore we can say that number of C2 equals to 50. Next one, 30 to both chemical C1 and C2, therefore we can say that for 30 C1 intersection C2 equals to 30. The number of elements in C1 intersection C2 equals to 30. Now I am drawing the Venn diagram first. So this is our Venn diagram. Okay, this is our set C1, this is set C2, and this is our universal set. Now represent the intersection portion first. Therefore 30 people are in this portion. Now we know that the total number of elements in C1 equals to 120. Therefore you have to write 90 people in this portion. Next, C2 equals to 50. Therefore you have to write 20 people in this portion. Okay, total 50 in C2. Okay, now find number of C1 union C2. Why I am finding this number of C1 union C2? Finding the number of C1 union C2, which is directly equals to 90 plus 30 plus 20, which is equals to 90 plus 50, 140. Okay, so હવે જોજો તમે total 200 individuals are there, 140 which are affected by chemical C1 or C2, therefore rest 60 are exposed by other means. એ લોકો બીજા કોઈ કારણથી બીજા કોઈ રીઝનથી એક્સપોઝ થયા હશે. એનો મતલબ કે મને જે 200 આપ્યા હતા એ નંબર ઓફ C1 યુનિયન C2 નહોતા. ઓકે, એટલે તમારા ડેટામાં બી given નથી કે એટલીસ્ટ one of them. Okay, therefore the date in the data number of U equals to 200. Clear? તો આ થયો તમારો ડેટાનું ઓપ્ટિમાઇઝેશન, કેવી રીતે તમે ડેટાને પ્રોપરલી રીડ કરીને અન્ડરસ્ટુડ કરી શકો છો. તો એક આ એક મેથડ બી થઈ કે નંબર ઓફ U છે કે C1 યુનિયન C2 છે, એ ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું. નાઉ ટોટલ 140 are there, therefore 60 who are exposed by other means, 60 in this portion. You have to write this in this portion 60. Now I am giving the answers of first, second and third questions. First, chemical C1 but not chemical C2. चलो chemical C1 they exposed there but not C2. Chemical C1 but not C2. So you have to subtract this portion of C2. Therefore, total 90 peoples or 90 individuals are exposed with chemical C1 but not C2. तो first question નો આન્સર આપણે રાઈટ ડાઉન કરી દઈએ તો 90 individuals exposed with chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Clear? But not chemical C2. The second one question is here chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Therefore we can say that chemical C2 but not C1. So C1 no portion je C2 ma avto cancel out karo. That means you have to cancel out 30. Therefore the rest are 20. Therefore the answer is 20 individuals exposed with chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Clear? Next one, the third question, the answer of third question, chemical C1 or C2. Chemical C1 or C2, that means this portion, and we know that 90 plus 30 plus 20 which is equals to 140. Therefore you can say that 140 individuals exposed with chemical C1 or chemical C2. Clear? That are तुम्हारा answers. Clear? So to give the answers of this type of questions by Venn diagram.